Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to the Orthodox Techie channel again. Today we are going to see how to write the dialog box using the chatbot. Okay, without wasting time, and I'm going to start writing the code for the bot dialog. So I'm going to initiate with the bot dialog intent. I'm just copying this line. You could find, paste it in our code. Okay, so you could find the bot.dialog and black slash, and after that you can find out the intent. So this is the syntax you could initiate with your bot dialog. And also in the previous line you can also find out the recognizer variable as well as the intents. In the recognizers variable is nothing but you can use your Lewis recognizer functionality to call your URL. So the Lewis model URL. Okay, so passing that URL as a parameter in the Lewis recognizer is most important, because it have to be recognize your URL, right? It's act like an API. Okay, so the people who are working with an API are well known about how it works. So passing that Lewis model URL to the Lewis recognizer builder. And also you have to create an intent variable. By creating an intent variable, so you can create an intent dialog. It's using the builder. Okay, so that I use like builder library to create the intent dialog, and passing the recognizers object in the form of recognizer. Okay, so what it says, like it passing that URLs to the recognizer, and also it will trying to find out the intent from the URL. Okay, from the recognizer URL, the object which we created in the recognizer. So that this is how it works. Okay, and also I initiated the bot dialog here. Let me go and copy this one intent.matches and paste it here. Okay, in this line you could find and matches your intent. As I said, the intent is nothing but the greet and show playing what are the movies currently showing, so that the intent what you like to create it, right? So the motive and the action of the text represented is called intent. So what are the intent it matches to your code, right? So intent.matches is the functionality to match your intent, followed by the greet. So I'm trying to match the greet here, and passing the session arguments, and followed by you can pass your session.send to hello, the response to your customers and response to your bot, right? When you greet someone's, like your bot, it will be responding like, hello there, I'm a virtual agent, the movie ticket booking bot, how can I help you today? So this is the message I'm sending right now using the session.send. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a movies variable. These are all very simple things. You can find my code in the below description as well if you find any difficult to type or follow this video, right? So I'm creating a movies variable array, passing the Avengers and Jurassic World, the Incredibles 2. So the three movies I'm going to give in this array. Okay, I'm just creating on variable movies in the name of variable. Okay, and I'm going to copy this intent matches as well. See, similar like matching a greet, I'm also matching show now playing. It's an intent which I have created already, to match the number of movies which is playing in that one. So if I'm passing the session.send, sure, I'm here is the list of movies and currently playing. It will be shown the listers of the movies. So I appended the movies.join as well. Here you can find it along with the string text format. I also append my array Avengers, Jurassic World and the Incredibles, so that when you when the user trying to ask what is the current movies is playing or not, what is the current movie is playing on right now, right? So it will be showing like, sure, here is the list of movies currently playing, and followed by the Avengers and Jurassic World and Incredibles 2, the movies which I have joined and append in the string. Okay, So this is how the intent matches, and you can followed by the response as well. Okay, and one more intent of the book ticket. Let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is the big intent because it matches the entities. Okay, it will try to matches all those entity because the intent matches with the book ticket here, and along with the session arguments and next all things are similar what we passed earlier, right? So only thing here we have I have created two variable objects called the movie entity and the number of tickets entity, because I'm trying to extract the movies type of movies from the entity filter. Okay, and also I have extract the type of built-in numbers or money or any the predefined prototype, right, we given into the Lewis. So I try to find out and figure out that built-in numbers. So these two lines you can find out the entity filters from the objects collections which is given by the Lewis, right, Lewis URL. So these two lines you can, it's more important. And after that you can find out the movie entity length, because since it is not an empty one, so I'm passing a movie value into the user data object. I have created into the session user data into the movie object and passing the first value of the movie entity 0 into the user data dot movie. Okay, else if it is the, I'm deleting that user data movie as well. Same here, the number of tickets entity length is greater than 0. If it is not an empty or not an null, in the sense you could pass the first value of number of tickets entity into the number of tickets. Okay, and same here as well, deleting the sessions of user data number of tickets. And if session is not in the user movie, sorry, the entire movie is not a valid available, it's not a available movie is not available in our backend. So you can I can pass the messages in the session.set like this, and as well as the begin dialog ask movie, because after that the movie is not available, in the sense I'm going to again again I'm passing that dialog window, it's called like ask movie for the customer. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it this session. Okay, let's see what happened with that. Okay, so these are the, in this session we saw like how to create a bot dialog and how to create the intent matches. So let me revise few things here. So this is the line which you initiated with the bot dialog, and these three things are most important to create your URL, Lewis model URL. And after that you can matches your intent, what are the intent which you provided in your Lewis, try to matches all those intent, and creating two variables called movie entity and number of tickets entity, which is the to extract or filtering the entity from the object collection. That's it for today. So we have created 3 intent matches. Okay, one for grid, one for show now playing, another one is book ticket, and creating one variable array and one bot dialog. That's it for session. So keep watching, I'll show you on how to create like how to integrate it with the emulator, these intent matches, and we'll try to run this code and how this code works. Okay, thank you, don't forget to subscribe our session. Thank you so much.